Hey there, my name is Ben Freer. I'm an immigration lawyer who loves helping entrepreneurs who are starting US-based businesses. Today I'm here to share some insights and tips with you on how you can start and run an American company successfully. We'll be covering everything from why starting a business in the US is beneficial to immigration considerations, market research, choosing the right legal structure, and I'll also offer some practical tips on how you can get started. So if you're thinking about starting a business in the US, or you're already in the process of launching one, then you're in the right place. Starting a business in the US can be extremely beneficial for entrepreneurs, especially since there are so many resources available to help navigate the complex legal and administrative aspects of running a business. These resources include legal and accounting services, mentorship programs, networking events, and online resources. For example, the Small Business Administration is a valuable resource for entrepreneurs, offering access to funding, mentorship, and other types of support. Another significant advantage of starting a business in the US is due to its large and diverse market. With a vast population, businesses have access to an enormous potential customer base. The population is highly diverse, so businesses can explore a wide variety of possible niches and target markets. Additionally, the US is home to some of the world's most successful and innovative companies, which means that businesses that can establish themselves in the US market may have the opportunity to collaborate with or learn from these industry leaders. Lastly, the political climate in the US is generally stable and predictable, which can provide a sense of security for entrepreneurs looking to start and grow their businesses. Okay, so let's keep going and talk about the practical steps that you can take to start and run your own American business. Step number one is to consider immigration options. Before you launch your company, you'll need to consider how you'll be able to legally run your business from within the United States. For many entrepreneurs, the E-2 visa is the best option. However, of course, you should consult with an immigration lawyer to determine if the E-2 visa will work for you and your business in light of your nationality, investment, and anticipated personnel needs. Step two is to develop your idea and marketing strategy. Once you have sorted out the immigration part, the next step is to develop your idea and marketing strategy. You need to know if there is a market for your product or service before starting a business in America. You must identify your target market and find out as much as you possibly can about them, including their buying habits, preferences, and pain points. Additionally, analyzing the competition can help you to identify opportunities to differentiate your business and stand out in the market. Lastly, consider market trends and develop a rough marketing plan to ensure that your business is relevant and appealing to customers. Step three is to set up your structure. After you have a firm grasp of your market, you can choose the legal structure that works best for you. Some popular options are sole proprietorships, LLCs, S-Corps, or C corporations. Each structure has its own benefits and drawbacks, so choose the one that aligns best with your business goals. Step number four, set up your operations. Now that you've got your business registered, it's time to get things rolling. Here are a few things to keep in mind. First, make sure that you have all the necessary licenses and permits to legally operate your business. Depending on what kind of business you're running and where you're located, you might need some things like zoning permits, health department permits, or professional licenses. Next, think about where you want to set up shop. This could be a physical storefront, office space, or an online shop. Put some thought into what would work best for your business and your customers. Now it's time to get equipped. Set up a business bank account and purchase all the equipment that you need to get your business running smoothly. This could mean anything from office furniture to specialized machinery. Make a list of what you'll need to make your business work and get shopping. And don't forget about your finances. Set up your accounting and bookkeeping systems to keep track of your money and stay on top of taxes. If you're not great with numbers, consider hiring an accountant or bookkeeper to help out. And if you're planning to hire employees, you'll need to set up payroll and benefit systems while making sure that you're following labor laws and regulations. Lastly, establish your business processes, such as customer service, inventory management, and order fulfillment. Remember, setting up your business operations might take some time and effort, but it's important to ensure that things run smoothly in the long run. Step number 5, apply for your visa if necessary. If you don't need a visa or work authorization, feel free to skip this step. But if you need an E-2 visa, this is the point in time when you would apply. Now, you may be thinking, wait a minute, I already set up my business and purchased everything that I need. Why wouldn't I apply for the E2 visa before spending all of that money? The reason why you don't apply earlier is because the E2 visa requires an at-risk investment in a real and operating business. If you apply before you spend your money, you'll likely be denied on the basis that you have not made an at-risk investment. Also, please note that the interview for your E2 visa may take a long time to schedule. Please make sure to talk to lawyers and reach out to the consular post through which you are applying to gain understanding of the expected wait time. Step number 6 is to launch your business and adapt. Once you've got your visa sorted out, it's time to actually start actively managing your business in the US. This is the fun part, but you'll quickly realize that running a business is not a one and done deal. It's a dynamic process that requires constant monitoring and adapting to changes. So here's some tips to help you monitor and adapt your business. First, keep an eye on your finances. Regularly review your financial statements and cash flow to make sure that your business is profitable and sustainable. Next, pay attention to customer feedback. Take note of what your customers are saying about your products or services and use that feedback to make improvements that better meet their needs. It's also important to stay up to date on what your competitors are doing. This will help you identify opportunities and threats in the marketplace and make adjustments to your strategy as needed. Make sure to keep an eye on industry trends and emerging technologies. This can help you stay ahead of the curve and position your business for success. And remember to be willing to pivot your strategy if necessary. Sometimes you may need to make changes to better align with changing market conditions or customer needs. By monitoring your business regularly and adapting as needed, you'll be able to position yourself for long-term success in the ever-changing landscape of business in America. So to sum it up, starting an American company can be an awesome opportunity for entrepreneurs to reach a broad and diverse market with lots of resources and support. But keep in mind that launching a business in the US takes a lot of time, effort, hard work, and deliberate action. It's definitely not an easy task, but with the right mindset, planning, and support, you can achieve great success. I hope this was helpful. If you did enjoy this video, please like it or pass it along to someone who may benefit from it. Thanks so much for your time.